Are you soldiers or families of soldiers? Or families of the town? Hello. Hello. Cut it for a minute, Jay. Hey everyone, welcome back to JJ's Adventures. Today we are at the Hope Furnace. Last time we were here, I was touched on the arm before I headed down the steps. So there's also a guard that walks his beat here to keep an eye on the furnace and protect it. So I'm going to see if we can talk to him today, and hopefully we'll get some good stuff for you. If you're new to the channel, please smash that like button and subscribe. And if you see or hear anything that I didn't catch, please comment below.
You're on.
So in picking back up with my Necrophonic app, how many spirits are here with me? 10. 10 spirits. So were you families that lived here? Maybe. Is the guard here that guards the furnace? Yes. Are you watching over the furnace today? Now it went silent. That was the first time they stopped since we got here. So I'm looking to talk to the guard. Is the guard here? Bob? Is the guard's name Bob? Yeah? Okay, Bob. Bob, were you the one that touched me when we were here last time? Yes. Did you not want me to leave? It felt like that you pulled on my arm. Did you not want me to leave here? Is there a dog here with you? I heard someone mention dog. Is there a dog here with you? Are you standing on top of the furnace? So how many of the spirits here worked at the furnace? 2. 2. And what did you do at the furnace? Girl. There was a girl here? Did the girl bring food for you while you worked at the furnace? So tell me, what did you do at the furnace? Did you shovel the charcoal or move the pigs of iron? What did you do here at the furnace? You what, honey? The female said, yes, I. What did you do? One at a time, please. I can't understand what you're saying. Can one person tell me what you did here? You're thirsty. Do you need help? Sounded like she said, yes, help. What do you need help with? Dead. Do you know that you're dead? The female. You know that you're dead, but your spirit is here. Yes. Do you remember your time here? Mike and John or Sean? Peace. Are you at peace? Yep. Yep. Okay, well, thank you so much for talking with me. You must stay here. You cannot follow us or attach yourselves to us or our equipment. You have to stay. Thanks for watching today, guys. As I said at the beginning, if you heard or saw anything, please comment below, and we will see you next time.